Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Give Digits Rav Anshel by Gene. So this continues our dynamic fog theme week. Hope you're enjoying it. Let's go over the rules. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have dynamic fog. So the cells that are gray right now are fogged over, meaning we don't actually get to see what is occupying that cell. It could be blank, could be a given digit, could be a green line in this puzzle. Now, the way we reveal the fog is getting correct digits. If you get a correct digit anywhere, it may or may not reveal fog. That is up to the setter. That's what makes it dynamic. All right. In addition to that, given digits. So in each box, the box number is given. So we count box numbers in reading order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in every box, the box number is given. Now that means that since we don't see any of them right now, that means they're hidden by the fog, but they will get revealed as we reveal the puzzle. All right. In addition to that, we do have a German whisper line here, or at least one German whisper line. So adjacent digits on the line have to have a difference of at least 3. So if this was a 2, then this could be a 5, because 5 minus 2 is 3, or it could be a 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. That's still at least 3. But we can't be a 4, because 4 minus 2 is 2. That's not good, right? It can't be a 3, can't be a 2, can't be a 1. Too close. So you need to be jumping a certain distance away, at least 3 away, as you move along this line, as you kind of traverse it. All right, and that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. I mean, the first thing I'm noticing is, box 1 needs to have the 1 given, meaning that it's going to be in one of the fog cells because we can't see it yet. I'm going to do some coloring here, and I'll explain the coloring in just a moment. So I'm just going to color every other. What these represent is the fact that German whisper lines, by design, have to jump between low and high. They always alternate low, high, or high, low, right? We don't know what it starts with. But let's say this was a 1, 2, or 3. Then this cell here needs to be at least 3 away, which puts it into the 4, 5, 6 range. And then now this needs to be 3 away from 4, 5, 6, puts it back in the 1, 2, 3 range. So we always alternate. And that's what these colors are trying to tell us. Now, we already know that our lows are going to be the 2 and the 3, because the 1 is one of these two. Now, I know that this one and this one cannot be the 3. I also know this one can't be the 3. So what am I talking about? Well, if this was a 3, there's actually only one digit that is at least 3 away from the 3, which is the 6. So in this pair here, we'd have to make this 6, but in this pair here, we'd have to make this 6. Now we have 2 6s in the row. That's no good. That's going to happen here as well with 3s. And that's going to happen here as well because we can see the line continues here. Like a stopped line stops in the middle. So this line's going to continue through, and we see that it goes into this cell. So we can't put a 3 there either. And there's got to be a 3. We know that both lows, we know where all 3 lows are. The 1 is up here, and then 2 of them are either in the 2 greens or the 2 purples. Well, we already said that the purples can't have the 3 at all. So these better have the 3. And so this is 3 and this is 2. Now, 3 has to be next to 6, and then now 2 has to be next to 5 because 6 is gone. That makes this a 1-4 pair, and I am extremely surprised that we didn't reveal anything. Maybe we need to figure this one out. Right, so this has to be 1 or 2 to be close to be far enough away from the 5. 2 is used, so this is our 1. Right, and that revealed something. So I'm going to get rid of the colors. That was useful for this line, but... So this German whisper line kind of turns this corner. Let's look at what these need. This needs 3, 4. This needs 2, 5, 6. So 3, 4, both 3 and 4 are special. We know this is on a German whisper line because we know the line does that at least. Because again, you can see it continuing into the cell. So 3 is special in that it can only go with 6. 4 is special in that it can only go with 1. So my only option here is to do 3, 6, because this can't be 1. So this would be 3, this would be 6. That makes this the 4. Next to the 6, we can't put the 5. So this is the 2, and this is the 5. The 2 is given. True. 3 has to be next to 6 again. All right. I suppose I could fill this out. This is 1, 3, 5. Now we should think about the 4 being given here. So one of these is 4. One of these is a 3. These two sixes look down, and the six, we know the six is given in this box, so it's not here. So this is a six. So six is in one of these two, and one of these two. This has the 5 given, but we don't know much about that. 3 given, the 4 given. Okay. So maybe we should think about this. This is a line. So these are the same low highness, right? They're either both low or both high because they share this digit in common in a pairing. And so we can't make them high because 5 and 6 are already gone. So this is a 2-3 pair, which does make that 6 and that 6. Because the 6 will be next to the 3 in the 2-3 pair. The 3 forces the 6 to be next to it. That does make this the 4. Okay. The 4 was given indeed. 4 is down here. 3 is in one of these two. So 3 is in one of these two. Let's see, 1 low, 1 high here. I'm not sure that there's anything else special there. So what's our next step? There's probably just Sudoku here. Or this line. Ooh, you know, I see a little hint of a line right there. There's a line between these two. I wonder if that's intentional. Not that there's obviously the line's intentional. I wonder if it's intentional that you can see that little corner there. Let's ignore it for now, but we may have to use that little tiny corner. So this is a 2-3 pair. Here we need, okay, yeah, we have the 4s looking down. So 4 is one of these two. Maybe it has to do with 5 being given in this box. Yes, it is. This 5 looks down. These aren't 5. So the 5's placed here. There's our line. So the 5 is next to 1 or 2 only. That's not a 5. Now the 4 in this box is supposed to be given. Sorry, no, the 3 in this box is given in here. We still haven't found the 1. All right, does it have to do with this? Yeah, this has 4 on it because 5 and 6 are gone. So if it has 4 on it, it also has 1 on it. So that's 1-4 pair. That does place 4 here. And that makes this a 2. That's 3 and 2. We get the 1, 5, and 3. That's 1 and 4. That's 4 and 1. That's 4. All right, this digit is a 2. This digit's a 3. We get the 3 here. It is given. Okay. This is our 1. All right. That puts a 1 down here and a 2 up here. And these are 5s. All right. Cool. That was an interesting idea to hide the givens behind the fog, but tell us that the givens exist somewhere. That was interesting. And nice use of German whispers as well. As always, the very nice puzzle, Gene. And if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.